In western South Dakota and eastern Wyoming, an isolated mountain range rises from the Great Plains of North America, the Black Hills. The name refers to the extensive conifer forest, which appear dark from a distance. The Black Hills are centered on a large granite dome with the Needles in Custer State Park as one of its most iconic sections. Here, nature has sculpted a spectacular landscape of granite walls and pillars. Cathedral Spires is an especially scenic area, with slender rock formations soaring hundreds of feet above the surroundings. With aspen trees showing their bright yellow colors, early fall is a perfect time to hike into the Black Elk Wilderness area and to summit Black Elk Peak. The impressive Harney Fire Lookout Tower was built in the late 1930s by the Civilian Conservation Corps. At 2,208 meters, this is the highest peak in the United States east of the Rocky Mountains. Next, we visit Devil's Tower National Monument. This monolith can be seen from far away and is an igneous intrusion of hardened magma that formed about 50 million years ago. Millions of years of erosion exposed the tower and accentuated the similarly formed Little Missouri Buttes north of it. As the magma cooled, hexagonal columns formed up to 6 meters wide and 180 meters tall. Cracks along the columns continue to erode from water and ice. Piles of broken columns, boulders and rocks lie at the tower's base. This is the first national monument in the United States, established in 1906 by President Theodore Roosevelt. Although small in area, it contains beautiful forests of ponderosa pine and rolling hills of grasslands, home to over 150 bird species and a diverse array of mammals, including a colony of black-tailed prairie dogs. As night falls and a chill fills the autumn air, the sharp silhouette of the tower stands out against the night sky full of stars, which play an important role in the indigenous mythology of the creation of the Bear Lodge. Thank you for joining us on this brief journey into the dramatic landscape of the Black Hills. Please visit Earth Focus Images for other videos like this.